These kitchen tips I only learned after living for over 40 years. Learn one, and you've earned one. Make sure you remember them well, especially the last one.
1.
Kneading dough, you want to add a spoon of oil, but don't want to dirty the spoon. Just press the spoon down into the flour, then pour the oil directly into that little well. It's exactly 1 spoonful, and the spoon doesn't even need washing.
2.
Once the water is boiling, stir it counterclockwise with chopsticks. Drizzle in a circle of beaten egg, and you'll get beautiful, delicate egg ribbons.
3.
Bought too much tofu and can't finish it? Add a proper amount of salt into a bowl, place the tofu inside, pour in cooled, boiled water until it covers the tofu, and it won't spoil even after 10 days in the fridge.
4.
And draining noodles like this, they always try to escape. If you don't have a strainer, place a toothpick between the pot and the lid, then tilt and drain. Not a single noodle will run away. 5th, this is what rice bugs fear the most. Put 4 slices of ginger and 2 cloves of garlic on a tissue, add 2-star anise, wrap it all up in the tissue, tie it with a rubber band, and place it in your rice container, and you'll never see bugs again. 6. Don't throw away those mesh bags that hold eggs. Put boiled peanuts inside. Rub them constantly with your hands, and the skins come off fast and clean. 7th, when you cut vegetables like this, they stick to the knife. So inconvenient. Take a small rubber band, loop it around 1/3 up the blade, and I promise you, slice by slice, they'll fall right off. 8. When cutting century eggs, does the yolk fall apart and stick to the knife? Just rinse the knife with boiling water first, then cut. It won't stick anymore, and the slices stay perfectly intact. 9. Scald the spoon first. Brush on a little oil, crack in an egg, and place it into the pot without moving it. Once the egg white fully sets, submerge it in water, and you'll have a big, round, perfect poached egg. 10. Ceramic bowls at home turn black on the bottom after long use. No matter how you scrub with dish soap, it won't come off. Here's a trick. Add a spoon of baking soda into the bowl, scrub back and forth a few more times with a cloth. It will look brand new after wiping. 11. Store potatoes like this. They won't sprout or turn green. Line an empty cardboard box with paper. Place the potatoes neatly. Sprinkle a layer of baking soda to prevent moisture and mold. 1 layer of potatoes, 1 layer of baking soda. Finally, put an apple inside. The ethylene it releases prevents sprouting. Cover it up, seal the box well, and even after a long time, they won't turn green or rot. 12th. Food always boils over when you're cooking. Just place 2 chopsticks across the top of the pot, and the bubbles won't dare rise up again. 13th, kitchen tools rust easily and are hard to clean. Here's a super simple trick. Sprinkle some baking soda, add a little salt, pour white vinegar, and let it sit for 5 minutes. Brush lightly with a small brush. The peeler shines so bright it reflects light. Even the dirt in the scissors joints falls out just like newly bought. 14th, sprinkle some salt on the knife, pour a bit of white vinegar, take a sprouted potato and rub it back and forth on the blade, rub a few more times, flip and do the same on the other side, rinse clean with water. The knife comes out sharp and fast. 15th, this is the simplest way to clean greasy towels. Add baking soda and some dish soap into a basin, pour in boiling hot water, soak for an hour, then wash clean. The towel comes out fresh and clean. Even the odor is gone. 16th, fold a paper towel, wet it, and place it on the cutting board. Then cutting onions won't make you cry. 17th, cut 1 end of a straw with scissors into a pointed shape like this, insert a chopstick, push it through a red date like this, and the pit comes out effortlessly. 18th, don't throw away wilted vegetables. Just soak them in cold water for an hour, and they'll look as fresh as the day you bought them. 19th, here's a 3-second garlic peeling trick. Slice across the garlic, flip it over, and give it a smack with the knife, and the clove pops right out. 20th, oil bottle dirty? What to do? Add some rice inside, squeeze in a little dish soap, add a paper towel, pour in some hot water, and soak for about 3 minutes. Shake the bottle hard, the grease dissolves quickly, pour out the dirty water, rinse clean with water, and now it looks just like new.